Here at the Humane Society, we give care to approximately 300 cats a day. Per Town is our main cat adoption room. This is the first place we bring adopters to visit with cats. In the past few years, we have seen a rise in our cat intake and had to create additional space for the cats upstairs, which used to be used solely as office space. 2 staff members, with the help of volunteers, are responsible for the daily care of the cats. Every cat gets fresh food and water 2 times a day, and every cage is thoroughly cleaned. We work with several local veterinarians. Follow-up medical care is done by our trained staff at the shelter.